The BX backbox attaches directly to the speaker frame, and both are installed together after the wallboard has been hung. When possible, cross-member framing should be added above and below the speaker opening so that the speaker and surrounding wallboard may be secured on all four sides. In new construction, place savers should be installed when the job is pre-wired to reserve space for the speakers during the wallboard installation. Adding place savers will reveal where additional framing may be necessary. Center the place saver on the framing and attach with provided hardware. Attach the speaker wire leads from the BX backbox to the terminal posts on the speaker, noting proper polarity, red to red and black to black. Route the speaker wire so that the backbox fits properly. Press the backbox firmly in place, fitting it around the raised rear baffle of the speaker. Use the included screws in the pre-drilled holes to attach the backbox to the rear of the speaker.